Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in ClickUp Cloud, beginner guide step by step clearly. To invest in ClickUp Cloud, start by researching the platform. Visit the official ClickUp website to gather information about its services. Explore the pricing plans to find a suitable option for your needs. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in the necessary details including your email address and password. Confirm your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log into your new ClickUp account and familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Navigate through the features and tools offered by ClickUp. Consider participating in ClickUp's free trial to experience all its functionalities. Evaluate the platform's capabilities and how it fits your investment goals. Join ClickUp's community forums for insights and tips from other users. Look for online tutorials and resources to maximize your understanding of the software. Explore API integrations and automation features that could enhance your workflow. Review case studies or testimonials to learn how other businesses succeed with ClickUp. Develop a strategy on how you intend to utilize ClickUp for your specific needs. Consider ongoing educational resources such as webinars or courses on using ClickUp effectively. Finally, decide how much of your budget to allocate toward ClickUp services. Monitor your progress and adjust your usage as necessary to ensure you're maximizing your investment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.